Good evening, all of you. Some of the students are requesting to me to explain this type of model questions. How to get limit extend infinity f of x model type questions. How to do if the limit of the function get 1 power infinity, infinity power 0, 0 power infinity model type questions. Before going to the problematics, just we can recall what is the key points here. First of all, if limit f of x is can write in the form of p of x by q of x is a polynomial p of x by q of x. If suppose just we can imagine p of x is a polynomial in the general form, q of x is a polynomial is general form. So the degree of p of x is n, the degree of q of x is m. Okay, let limit x tends to infinity f of x. So limit x tends to infinity f of x means the result we having in different ways. If suppose both degrees are equal, the numerator polynomial, denominator polynomial, degrees are equal, then the result is leading coefficients of the both polynomials. What is the leading coefficient here? X power n is the highest power of the variable having coefficient a power a naught. In the denominator polynomial x power m, so its leading coefficient means its coefficient b0. So the leading coefficient, this one is the leading coefficient. So if the degrees are both are equal means the solution for this limit x tends to infinity f of x is a naught by b naught. If suppose numerator degree is less than denominator degree, that is numerator polynomial degree is less than denominator degree, then the result is becomes 0. If suppose numerator degree is more than the denominator degree, then the result is having again two ways, that is depend upon a naught by b naught is positive, it become positive infinite, a naught by b naught is negative, it become negative infinite solution. So this is the conditions. And here small clarification again, if limit x tends to infinity means, what is the meaning this? X tends to infinity, infinity means anything by 0. So I can take here suppose 1 by 0. So then x tends to 1 by 0. When reciprocal of these both, we can get 1 by x tends to 0. So that's why if limit x tends to infinity model quotient, we have to convert the function values into 1 by x terms. If the function having x tends to infinity model quotient, the function converting into 1 by x terms. If the 1 by x term is involving means that 1 by x term is become 0 when applying the limit. So limit x tends to infinity model, we should convert the terms into 1 by x model. Those should be taken as 0. So that's why I am giving this clarification for this. Next one, some formulas. Limit x tends to infinity sin x by x is 0. Limit x tends to infinity cos x by x is 0. Just a small thing here. For example, x is equal to some 1080 or 1000 something value, 1080 or 1050, suppose 1050. What will happen here? X tends to infinity, infinity means more value, x tends to infinity is more value. So more value means sin, suppose for example x is equal to 1050, that is sin 1050 by 1050. So we know already the sin values always lies between -1 to +1. So this value is from -1 to +1. -1 to +1 by 1050. So it is a proper fraction. It's going to become 0. So it's a proper fraction. Why? Because if you take the more value, x tends to infinity. If the x tends to infinity means the x value is taken as more value. If any value you can take, sin result is always become lies between -1 to +1. So this result is -1 to +1 by that more value. So definitely is a proper fraction. That's why the result is going to reach 0. That's why limit x tends to infinity sin x by x is 0. In the same manner, cos values also lies between -1 to +1, but x value is already more than this result of the cos. So that's why it's become again proper fraction. That result also going to 0. That's why when applying the limit x tends to infinity, cos x by x is also 0. Okay, right, these two are the formulas. These two are the formulas applying here in this concept. Limit x tends to infinity, sin x by x is 0. Limit x tends to infinity, cos x by x is 0. Why this becomes 0 means sin value is always minus 1 to plus 1. If you take the value of x is suppose 1 lakh, so 1 lakh means numerator is always minus 1 to plus 1, but denominator is 1 lakh, so it definitely become proper fraction. So the value is going to reach to 0. That's why x tends to infinity, this become limit version 0. Next, so after this, next one more thing, the model for limit x tends to a, f of x power g of x, f of x power g of x, the result is become 1 power infinity or infinity power 0 or 0 power infinity. Then you can do that the formula if limit x tends to a, f of x power g of x, then we can replace, that is e power limit x tends to a, f of x minus 1 into g of x. If suppose the direct application of limit, we get the values of out of these three any one, definitely we have to take like this, e power limit x tends to a, f of x minus 1 into g of x. This is the one of the model, more than two models also there, but this is the one of the model at the easiest way to apply. Okay, this is the basic information about these two methods. Let's see that solutions. Okay, look at this model question. Limit x tends to infinity, x plus 5 by x plus 2 whole power x plus 3. Just imagine this limit x tends to infinity model. In the previous we are discussing limit x tends to infinity, f of x is, what is that? We are discussing four properties, that is p of x by q of x model. P of x by q of x model, what is the degree here? 1. The degree of the denominator also 1, so both the degrees are equal. What is the leading coefficient here? 1 into x, here also 1 into x, that is 1. So that is the base values become 1. Base value, limit of the base is 1, it become 1 power x tends to infinity means infinity plus 3 also infinity. So directly when you apply the limit of this function, you can get 1 power infinity. So 1 power infinity model means, already we told the formula. What is the formula? If the limit x tends to infinity, f of x power g of x is become 1 power infinity or 0 power infinity or infinity power 0, then we have to take this e power limit x tends to same thing infinity, f of x minus 1 into g of x. This is the format. So this is the formula. Okay, now we can apply this formula. F of x means the base is the f of x, this is a g of x. So the base is f of x means f of x is equal to, just I am writing here again, let's see for clarification. From here the question, f of x means x plus 5 by x minus x plus 2. G of x means x plus 3. Now apply this formula. Limit x tends to infinity, f of x means x plus 5 by x plus 2 whole power x plus 3 is equal to e power limit x tends to infinity, f of x minus 1, that is x plus 5 by x plus 2 minus 1 into g of x means x plus 3. So that is equal to e power limit x tends to infinity. So by simplifying this one, it become 3 by x plus 2 into x plus 3. So now 3 is a constant, you can get outside, it become e power 3 into limit x tends to infinity, x plus 3 by x plus 2. So what will happen again? Infinity model. Limit extends to infinity model. This is the infinity model. So polynomial by polynomial. The numerator polynomial degree 1. The denominator polynomial degree also 1. So if the both degrees are equal, if m equal to n, what is the solution? Leading coefficient by leading coefficient. This value is become 1. That's why e power 3 into this value is 1. So that is e power 3 is the solution. So it's the first problem. That's why I given the this length of clarity. Okay, next problem we are doing directly within fractions of seconds how to identify the solutions easily. So let's see once here. In the first problem, that's why I given. So f of x and g of x, the base is the f of x, the power is g of x, is in the form of 1 power infinity. So 1 power infinity means we are applying in the concept limit x tends to infinity, f of x power g of x is become any one of these three means that you can write as e power limit x tends to infinity f of x minus 1 into g of x. Let's see one. Okay, next one, the question is limit x tends to infinity the x square plus x plus 3 by x square minus x plus 2 whole power x. This one also in the same manner, limit x tends to infinity model, the coefficient by coefficient again same degree, that's why coefficient by coefficient means 1. So this result is 1 power x tends to infinity means infinity. This one also become 1 power infinity model. That's why I can converting into e power limit x tends to infinity f of x minus 1 into g of x model. So the base is f of x, power is g of x, that is f of x minus 1 into g of x. So when simplifying this one, it become e power limit x tends to infinity. So it become by cross multiplication like this. So it is directly x square x will cancel, that is 2x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 2 into x. So that is x multiply inside, it become e power limit x tends to infinity 2x square plus x by x square minus x plus 2. Now again limit x tends to infinity model. If the limit x tends to infinity, so just compare the coefficients. So here x square, here x square, the degrees are both are equal. If m equal to n, what is the condition? Coefficients by coefficient, that is 2 by 1. So it become e power 2 by 1, that is e square. Okay, next one is third one, limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by a plus bn whole power c plus dn. So when applying the limit, first of all, n tends to infinity, applying means 1 by n combination, it becomes 0. So that's why 1 plus this value is 0, 1 plus 0 whole power infinity, it is become as 1 power infinity. That's why I can converting in this model e power limit n tends to infinity. So f of x, so enter this one is f of x, so f of x minus 1, so f of x minus 1, so this is okay. So f of x minus 1 means, so plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled here, so that multiplication of these two, it become e power limit n tends to infinity c plus dn by a plus bn. So when you observing here, the degree is both are same, so that's why leading coefficient d by b. So it become, if the degrees are equal, m equal to n like this, here n equal to n, both are degrees are equal, n power 1, n power 1. So that's why degrees are equal, the coefficients of the leading, that is here d, here b. So d by b, the solution is e power d by b. Next one, the fourth question, the same model. If limit x tends to infinity 1 plus a by x plus b by x square into 2x. So this one also looking as same model. If you apply the x tends to infinity, so in the previous I am told you, if x tends to infinity means 1 by x tends to 0. So now a by x, that is 1 by x. 1 by x into a, so it becomes 0. It becomes 0. So ultimately the base is 1. Sorry, here 2 power x. Okay. So ultimately base is 1. The x tends to infinity means power is also infinity. So it becomes 1 power infinity model. So let's change this one. E power limit x tends to infinity. So 1 plus a by x plus b by x square minus 1 into g of x means 2x. So that is equal to e power limit x tends to infinity. So now it is plus 1 minus 1 cancel. It become, so when you multiply these things, it become 2a by 2a x by x plus 2bx by x square. So here x will cancel, 1 x will be cancelled. So it become limit x tends to infinity 2a plus 2b by x. So when apply the limit here 2b by x, so it is 1 by x combination, though it will become 0. So that's why result is e power 2a. So that's why e power 2a is the solution. If the b value, any value, no problem. In the place of b, we can take any value, but this result is become 0. Why? Because it is 1 by x term. So limit x tends to 0, 1 by x tends to limit x tends to infinity, 1 by x tends to 0. That's why here 1 by x term is involving. So this term is become 0. So result is e power 2a. So that is the result. Okay. Next question. Limit x tends to infinity a power 1 by x plus b power 1 by x plus c power 1 by x whole by 3 whole power x. First of all, we just apply the limit, substituting as it is means x tends to infinity, we know 1 by x value is 0. The value of 1 by x is 0 when limit x tends to infinity. So it becomes a power 0 plus b power 0 plus c power 0 by 3 whole power infinity. So it is become as 1 power infinity model. Okay, it's confirmed 1 power infinity model. What can you do? So to change it into e power limit x tends to infinity f of x minus 1, that is a power 1 by x plus b power 1 by x plus c power 1 by x by 3 minus 1 into g of x, that is x. Now I can simplifying this one, we can get this is e power limit x tends to infinity a power 1 by x plus b power 1 by x plus c power 1 by x minus 3 by, it can written as 3 by x. X can be written as 1 by x. So in the denominator part you can write 1 by x. 3 in the numerator part I can write in the denominator as 1 by x combination, that is 3 by x. So this 3 converting into outside, it become the constant, that's why it converting into shift into outside of the log limitations. So I have one formula. What is that formula? A power x minus 1 by x limit x tends to something, limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a with base e. So it's the formula. By using this formula here, what is x tends to 0? A power x. So what is here x tends to 0? Here the power also x. Here 1 by x is the power. I can convert this one into 1 by x tends to 0. So rewrite this one. The minus 3 splitting into 3 times of minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 to share to each and every one again. So that's why e power, this is 1 by 3 into limit 1 by x tends to 0. So already previous told you limit x tends to infinity means 1 by x tends to 0. So 1 by x tends to 0, it can be written as a power 1 by x minus 1 plus b power 1 by x minus 1 plus c power 1 by x minus 1 by 1 by x. Right, splitting each and every one, so that result is e power 1 by 3 into limit 1 by x tends to 0 a power 1 by x minus 1 by 1 by x plus b power 1 by x minus 1 by 1 by x plus c power 1 by x minus 1 by 1 by x. So right, so in the previous formula, what is the formula here? X tends to 0 a power x minus 1 by x. ఇక్కడ x tends to 0 ఉంది, ఏ పవర్లో కూడా x ఉంది, డినామినేటర్లో కూడా x ఉంది, అంటే మ్యాచింగ్ ఏంటి? x tends to 0 a power x and here also x. Here limit 1 by x tends to 0, here 1 by x tends to 0 a power 1 by x, denominator 1 by x. So matching 1 by x tends to 0, power also 1 by x, denominator also 1 by x, power also 1 by x, denominator also 1 by x, power also 1 by x, denominator also 1 by x. That's why the result is become log a with base c. This result is become log b with base c. This result is become log c with base e. So ultimately log a plus log b plus log c, log abc. Ultimately totally we are writing this result is that is equal to e power 1 by 3 into log abc with base e. So now by using the logarithmic concept, that logarithm value abc, here exponential base both can be replaced. These should be written as abc power 1 by 3 into log e with base c. So this result we know already, this is 1. So that's why the solution is abc whole power 1 by 3 or cube root of abc. So this is the model, fifth model of the question. In the same manner, sometimes he given a power 1 by x plus b power 1 by x plus c power 1 by x plus and so on n times, or a1 b a2 a3 a4 and so on, like this also given 1 n times. Yeah, here 3 times there, that's why result is abc whole power 1 by 3. If suppose n times are involving means same manner 1 by n, so 1 by nth, that is nth root, here cube root, that is nth root, like this in the same manner. So this is the different type of questions to applying limit x tends to infinity and 1 power infinity, infinity power 0, 0 power infinity models. Okay, thank you.